Hi everyone, this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics. And if you want to know how to manifest anything in one day, you landed on the right video. Today I'm going to give you the secret, one of the biggest secrets out there when it comes down to manifesting that a lot of people aren't telling you. But before we get started, I am telling you to watch this video all the way to the end because you guys know I love to throw in those tips to help supercharge your manifestations. But before we get started, if you're new to this channel, this is a law of attraction metaphysical channel that brings life-changing information. Listen, I give you the information so that you can easily understand and put it into action. But what's best of all, get results. So don't forget to join the family. Support this channel by liking, subscribing, and tapping the bell. Now let's get started. I'm back. Now, what is it that I have to tell you about how you can manifest anything within 24 hours using the law of attraction? Now, listen, this is something that I have used for many years, even in my teens, and it has worked every single time. But listen, it works on God's time, not yours. But usually it works within 24 hours and sometimes even less. So I'm going to give you a secret that a lot of people don't tell you when they're telling you about the law of attraction and how it works. Now, this right here is something that you can do every single day and make it your routine. Why? Because it's going to steer your ship, your life, in the direction that you want it to go. And before you know it, you're manifesting all types of things into your life, and your life has totally changed. Now, the first thing I would like for you guys to know is that you must know what it is that you're trying to manifest, what it is you want in your life. The next thing is why. Why am I saying this? Because that's going to be the energy that's going to push or propel you forward with your manifestations. Now, listen, you could say, I want money, but why do you want this money? Do you want it to buy a house, a car, help your loved ones, or just be financial free and travel all over the world? Whatever it is, that driving force is going to help you lead you into the direction that you want it to go into. So, why am I asking this? It's because it's very important to help you manifest whatever it is that you want. Now, the next thing is, I said it before, you're going to use this as a morning routine before you leave the house. The first thing I'm going to ask you to do is to find a favorite spot in your home. And I want you to keep that spot as your morning ritual, okay? The next thing I want you to do is I want you to quiet your mind. Why? Because you just got up and that is the best time because you don't have as many thoughts flowing through your mind at that time. But we need to quiet the mind even more. What you're going to do, you're going to find a spot and you're going to sit there and you're just going to take some deep breaths in and out. Now, when I say deep breaths, I want you to take a deep breath in, hold it for a couple of seconds, then let it out. Why? Because you are more focusing on your breathing than whatever you think is going to happen during the day. Again, these thoughts that you're waking up to is going to drive your day, and we don't want it to do that. Now, as you breathe in, hold it, and breathe out, you are clearing your mind of anything that is not for you or anything that could be worrying you. The next thing I need you to do, I need you to sit in peace for a good minute. Now, you can do this without shoes so that so that your feet are on the ground connecting with Mother Earth, okay? You can also do this outside if you want to really get into nature if the weather is good. Now, as you're sitting there, I want you to visualize what it is you want in your life. Now, I want it as a mind movie as if it is already done. So let's just say you want to manifest that new home. I want you to actually be that person and see yourself getting the keys or walking in and bringing your family in. If you're trying to create that new job, I want you to imagine people shaking your hands or you moving your belongings into your new office and being congratulated. Whatever it is you're trying to do, I want you to visualize it as if it is already done and smile and be happy. Because if this is something you really want, it's going to make you feel very good. Now, once you have that picture of what it is that you want, and I will give you a little tip. I need you to do this for at least 1 minute, 50 seconds to a minute, at least. Why? Because that's how long it takes for you to get it into your subconscious mind. So you can't do something for 5 or 10 seconds and expect for it to get there unless you have a whole lot of emotions with it. And that usually comes along when things are going wrong. But for this, we're just going to make sure you're visualizing for at least a minute. And what I want you to do is that I want you to surround that vision with white light, perfect white light, God's white light, the universe's white light. And I want you to shoot it out to the universe. So you can make it as an explosion. You can make it as the white light takes it and sends it out to the universe as a balloon. Whatever it is, I want you to take whatever it is you're seeing as if it is a movie that you are actually in and send it out to the universe and feel that it is already done and go about your day, taking action in those steps. And that is how it works. Now, let me give you a tip. The more happy you are about receiving whatever it is that you're trying to manifest, the faster it's going to come to you. If you start engaging in negative thinking, negative talking, you are pushing yourself away from whatever it is that you want. Because whatever it is that you want has a vibration of being happy, of being content. And if in real life you are sitting there thinking about negativity or who did this and who's doing that, you are not on the same vibration or the same level of consciousness that what it is that you're trying to manifest. Okay, so now that I told you guys what to do, I'm going to give you guys some extra tips on what you can do to make this a little different and to help you manifest whatever it is that you want. Now, when you're doing your visualizations, you can do it in steps, in sequences. So let's just say today's Sunday. You can actually visualize doing this for your morning, putting it out there how you want your morning to go. Then you can do this at your lunchtime, on your lunch break, stating how you want the rest of your day to go. Then you can do this at the end of your day, and you're stating how you want your evening to go. It's just that simple. You guys are actually going to do this, and listen, it only take 1 or 2 minutes. And you're going to put it out there how you want your day to go in a confident way, as if this is already done for you. And it is done. This is something that I have done a lot. And this is something Jerry and Esther Hicks talk about, visualizing in steps, putting things out there to manifest whatever it is that you want in your day. So if you want your boss to congratulate you, you put that out in the morning. If you want to come home and have a beautiful day in the afternoon, you put that out in the afternoon. If you want to have a wonderful sleep at night, you put that out when you get off from work or in the evening. It's just that simple. And if you guys believe that it is already done, it will be done because it has to. It's law. Now, another thing that I want to tell you guys about when it comes down to manifesting in separate parts is you guys have to have faith and believe that this is already done. And you go out and you take action as if you know you have a force within you that can't be reckoned with. If you put this out there, it has to manifest for you guys. And I'm telling you, it works. Now, Another tip that I want to give you guys, and it is powerful, and that tip is, if you can't get yourself in a positive mood and a good emotion or a good vibration of feeling happy and content, play a little music. Do something to get you in a better mood. Music is universal and it can work for each and every one of us. Play the music that puts you in an extremely good mood. And at that time, do your visualizations. And when you do it, that right there, it's going to help you manifest whatever it is that you want in your life. So listen, you guys, I just gave you guys a powerful way to manifest whatever it is you want in your life in one day. And listen, I've used it to manifest cars, houses, anything that I wanted. It just seems like once I did this, it put me in the area where I wanted to be. It kept steering my ship to get me where I wanted to be in life. And it works, you guys. Before you know it, every day you put it together and it becomes something really big. You are successful. You're married. You have the career that you want. You have the house and the car. Everything that you want will come your way because you're using this every day to manifest every day what you want. Before you know it, you will have everything. Now, listen, you guys, this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics, always giving you law of attraction, metaphysical information. Listen, to change your life. So don't forget, support this channel by liking, subscribing, and tapping that bell.